Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Aventus token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Aventus transform how customers unlock growth, efficiency and trust. Crafting pioneering Web3 solutions are accessible, relevant and intuitive. From more connected, integrated experiences to enhancing traceability, transparency, and product authentication, Aventus Solutions empower businesses to proactively stay ahead in a landscape of rapidly evolving challenges. With deep industry expertise and a strong understanding of enterprise needs, Aventus delivers the best future seeds of Web3 with all of the family of Web2 by offering Web3 as a service software that is modular, scalable, and fully vertically integrated. Aventus given client the flexibility and control they need to respond to rapidly evolving market opportunities while providing robust ongoing maintenance and support so clients can focus on their core businesses. Aventus project institution rating is 3.7. Aventus token total supply is 10 million and circulating supplies around 6 million AVT token. AVT token is listed on Coinbase, Gate.io and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.